Thank you for joining us for a step-by-step video on how to change from a grass shear blade to a hedge trimmer blade on Makita's XMU04ZX. In the box, you will find the grass shear blades pre-installed on the model and the hedge trimmer blades separate. In addition to these, you will need a flathead screwdriver. Once you have these three items, you are ready to change the blade. First, remove the grass receiver. Push forward on the triangles to release the grass receiver from the height adjustment grooves. Then, pull down to release the hinge. Next, remove the undercover. While pressing the lock lever, turn the undercover counterclockwise until the unlock icon is aligned with the triangle on the lock lever. After, remove the shear blade to reveal the crank. Then, flip the crank and align the pins to insert the crank. Ensure the loops on the hedge trimmer assembly are aligned before placing the assembly. Once you have ensured the hedge trimmer blade is flush with the housing, tighten the two screws to attach the blade. Lastly, place the undercover by lining up the unlock icon with the triangle on the lock lever and turning the cover clockwise. To return the unit from a hedge trimmer to grass shears, simply reverse the process.